Welcome. Today we are going to find out the numbers between rational numbers. So how we will find out? So write all the natural numbers between 2 and 9. So we know the natural numbers between 2 and 9. So we know between 2 and 9 it is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, and 8 are the natural numbers between 2 and 9. So write all the integers between -4 and 5. So -4 and 5, the numbers will be -3, -2, -1, then 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, between, so these are the numbers between all the integers between -4 and 5. Now if it is, then it is given which rational numbers are there between 1 by 2 and 3 by 4. So if you see the denominators are same, quickly you can say, but here denominators are not same. So if it is given half, means 1 by 2 and 3 by 4. We know that 2 here denominator is 4, but here 2 is there. So we can make it 4 by multiplying with 2. So numerator is also multiplied with 2. So you will get 2 by 4 and 3 by 4. Now again the question arises that denominators are same. So which numbers are lying between 2 and 3? They are the consecutive numbers, means continuous. So what we can do, again we can multiply with some other number. For example, I am multiplying with 10. Here also 10. Okay, you can make the denominator which number you like. So it will become 20 by 40 and 30 by 40. Now we will get many, means we will get the rational numbers between 30 and 40. After the increasing the value, again we are dividing, we will get the same fraction. Okay, so we can increase by multiplying. Now we can write many. Okay, so we will get what? Rational numbers between 20 to 30, that means 20 to 30, denominator is 40. So we can write 21 by 40, 22 by 40, 23 by 40, 24 by 40, 25 by 40, 26 by 40, 27 by 40, 28 by 40 and 29 by 40. Again, if I am multiplying with 100, there will be again increase in the number. But again you are dividing, the values will be same. So we came to know how to find out the numbers in between rational numbers. So this method we can follow it. Now we will solve the exercise. So one important point that you should remember here, what I explained, it is given. Thus, when rational numbers are converted into equivalent fraction with increasingly bigger denominators, more and more rational numbers which lie between them can be expressed. And we know there are infinite rational numbers between two given rational numbers. So this is the way we can find out. Okay, so we will solve the practice set 23. So here this important point is also given. If m is an integer, then m plus 1 is the next bigger integer. There is no integer between m and m plus 1. The integers that lie between any two non-consecutive integers can be counted. However, there are infinitely many rational numbers between any two rational numbers. So as we are increasing, means denominator, when we are multiplying with 10, 100, that we will get other rational numbers between the two given when the numbers are consecutive, or we are getting one rational number between two, that type. So we will solve the practice set 23. First one, it is given 2 by 7 and 6 by 7. So if you see here, it is given 2 by 7 and 6 by 7. So they are, if you see denominators here, denominators are same. So we can write directly, we know see, I have drawn the number line -1 0 1 2 3 4. So we want, for example, this is 2 and this is 7. Okay, sorry, here 6 is a 6, not this. Okay, so 2 to 6, 3 they have asked. Write the 3 rational numbers that lie between the 2 given numbers. So here we are getting 3, so no need of multiplying and all. So we can write here. So see, we can write, if we are writing 2 by 7, here 6 by 7, means denominator we are making 7. Okay, so here we will get 7, 7, 7. Okay, so between 2 by 7 and 6 by 7, the 3 rational numbers the 3 rational numbers that lie between two given numbers 2 by 7, 6 by 7 are, you can write now, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7. Okay, now next it is given 4 by 5 and 2 by 3. If you see here, denominators are different. So what we can do? We can multiply this 5 and this is 2 by 3. So we know that 5 3s are 15. So numerator also you multiplied with 5. Here 3 and here you multiplied with 5. So what the value will get? 4 3s are 12 and 5 3s are 15. 2 5s are 10 and 3 5s are 15. If you see here 12 and 10, you will get one number. So again what we can do? We can multiply this 12 by 15 and 10 by 15. Again we can multiply with 2. So we will get the value 12 2s are 24 by 30 and 10 2s are 20 by 30. Okay, so we got 24 by 30 and 20 by 30. So we will get, now 3 numbers we will get the rational numbers. So answer we will get 21 by 30, 22 by 30 and 23 by 30, because they have asked 3 rational, many more than you multiply with same, means make the denominator same. So there will be increase in the fractions and we can write many more. So these are the 3 rational numbers lying between 4 by 5 and 2 by 3. Okay, next question, if you see, it is given -2 by 3 and 4 by 5. So here again the denominators are not same. So we can write -2 by 3 and 4 by 5, make the denominator same. So we can multiply with, we know 3 5s are 15. So 5 you multiply, here 3s are and here 3s are. So what you got? -2 into 5, -10 by 15. And here 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15. Now the values we got what? -10 by 15 and 12 by 15. So we can write or we can show on the number line, means it will be easy. Here it is rough. So you can write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like this you can move. Okay, here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, Okay, so till -10 you can go, and here the denominator you will write upon 15 upon 15 upon 15. So you will get many. Okay, so here we want till 12, 11, 12. So 11 by 15, 11 by 15, and here it is 12 by 15. This is 12 by 15, and here also you can move till negative. So see, before -9, -10, it comes -9 by 10. We are moving on the right hand side like this. Then we can write from positive 7 by, denominator is 15. Okay, so -9 by 15, 7 by 15, 4 by 15, 2 by 15, -2 by 15, -1 by 15, so many. Okay, so you can write down the rational numbers between -2 by 3 to 4 by, this is the method. So it is -10 by 15. So move towards this side, you can draw so many lines and you can show it. Now so these are the numbers lying between two rational numbers, -2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Now next question, it is given fourth one, 7 by 9 and -5 by 9. So here very easy. So we can write -4 by, denominators are same, -3 by 9. Positive numbers before 7 we can write 6 by 9, 5 by 9, 0 also you can write. So these are the numbers lying between 7 by 9 and -5 by 9. So complete the sentence. Now next it is given -3 by 4 and +5 by 4. So again it is very easy. So you can write before -2 by 4, -1 by 4, then 0, then 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, so on, so many. Means 4 by 4. So these are the numbers lying between -3 by 4 and +5 by 4. If you see the next one, it is given 7 by 8 and -5 by 3. So again it is easy. So you can write -4 by 3, -2 by 3. Sorry, here denominator is not seen. Denominators are not seen. So you have to make the denominator same. So how we will do? We can write here 7 by 8 and here -5 by 3. So both, see, 8 3s are 24 and 3 8s are 24. We will make the denominator same. So 8 3s are, so numerator also you multiplied with 3. Here 3 8s are, so numerator also you multiplied with 3. So you will get 7 3s are 21 by 24, and here you will get -5 into 8, -40 by 20. Now we can write many from -40 to 21 by 24. In between, which are the numbers lying, you can write. So 21 by 24, before that it comes 20 by 24, then 19 by 24, negative number -13 by 24. Okay, negative, before that we have to -40, before that what are the numbers are coming. So -14 by 24. So like this we can write. So these are the rational numbers lying between 7 by 8 and -5 by 3. Next question, it is given 5 by 7 and 11 by 7. So here denominators are same. So we can write directly. Okay, so 6 by 7, then 8 by 7, 9 by 7, 10 by 7. Okay, these are the rational numbers lying between 5 by 7, 11 by 7. If you see the next one, 0 and see 0 it is given and negative 3 by 4 it is given. So negative 3 by 4. So what we will do, we will increase, it is 4 given. So we will what do? We will multiply with 2. So we will get the denominator 8. So we will find out the number 0 to 3 2s are negative 6 by 8. Okay, so because here you will get 3 by 4, negative 3 by 4 is given, we will get that is 1 by 4 and 2 by 4, two numbers. So there should be, at least we want 3. So how you can solve, write down the numbers now? The numbers between these, we can write 1 by 8, 2 by 8, okay, then negative 5 by 8. So these are the numbers lying between 0 and negative. Here it should be negative. Negative 1 by 8, negative 2 by 8, negative 5 by 8. So these are the numbers lying between 0 and negative 3 by 4. So negative sign should be shown.